Hey guys, this is Ian with Modern Exterior. I'm in Fond du Lac, Wisconsin today, and I'm going to explain to you guys the difference between a 3-tab shingle, which is this stuff here, and then your architectural shingle, which is this stuff right here. Right here, this is going to be your 3-tab shingle. So this is more commonly found on your older style homes. It was very cost effective back in the day. It was lightweight, so people liked that for their home. It was easier on their structure. If you've noticed, driving down the road, you really don't see them anymore. And that's because it's really starting to fade out. I'm gonna tell you why. The difference in between your 3-tab and your architecturals really is the thickness of these guys. These shingles here are very thin, but because they're so thin, hail strikes, any wind, anything like that can easily damage these shingles. You can kind of see it's so easy to pull these off. There's another one right here. And wind will just get right under there and rip it up. So the life expectancy of these shingles is anywhere from 13 to 15 years. This is a 13-year-old roof, and we're just replacing these with the architectural shingles to match the homeowner's house. It'll be architectural shingle. So this guy has more of a natural wood look to it. These are a lot thicker. Your hail rating goes up. Your wind rating goes way up. You can get anywhere is really in between 35 and 40 years of these shingles. On this shingle right here, this is the IKO Dynasty. And my favorite thing about these, of course, with this nylon strip, it really ensures the best fastening of your shingle. So when it gets warm out, this asphalt gets really pliable. And when that happens, the nails can just go right through you. But that'll do for this video here. Stay tuned, you guys. We've always got tips coming out. Otherwise, thank you. We'll see you next time.